Welcome to the JSL YouTube channel. My name is James Laff, and today we're going to start a series on SEO. If you're watching this, you've probably heard SEO and wondered what the heck is it? SEO stands for search engine optimization, but that's really vague and doesn't really tell you anything, right? Let me break it down for you. SEO involves multiple strategies to bring the most traffic to your website. These include keyword research, link building, creating keyword targeted blog posts and pages, SEO friendly site design and structure, having a mobile friendly design, the list goes on and on. Let's take a look at a few of these. Using keywords is one of the most important pieces of SEO strategy. For instance, let's take a look at JSL's search results. If I were to search Grapevine Web Design Agency, Grapevine Web Design, Dallas SEO, Email Marketing Dallas, you'll see JSL come right to the top of the list. This isn't by accident, but it's not because of ad placement. It's because we are strategic with our SEO efforts. Effective SEO takes time, but can have some of the best return on investment if done right. It's also not a set it and forget type of strategy. It actually requires consistency. Black Hat SEO refers to a set of practices used to increase a site or page's rank in search engines through means that violate the search engine's terms of service. It used to be okay to stuff keywords on websites and make them visible to users, but Google can now see all of this and will penalize the site for stuffed keywords. White Hat SEO is the opposite. It's any practice that improves your rankings in a search engine while maintaining the integrity of your website and staying within the search engine's terms of service. The strategy now is to let the content make natural sense to the users and search engines. Search engines have gotten a lot smarter and will penalize you if you don't follow best practices recommended by Google and the top authorities out there. Building the right on and off page strategy is super important, and knowing what your potential customers are searching for. The key to SEO is to be consistently strategic with your approach and constantly analyzing your search engine performance. This is key to making sure you stand out from the crowd. That's going to be it for our intro to SEO. Stay tuned for episode 2 in our SEO series, where we'll go more in depth into these strategies, local SEO basics, and what's important for ranking locally versus nationally. If you liked the video and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Also, if you have any questions, leave those in the comments as well. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to get notified of all of our upcoming videos. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next time.